Okay, let's look at example 11. Transverse wave travel along stretched string at speed 80 meter per second and frequency 200 Hz. Stationary waves produced on the string. Determine the distance between two adjacent nodes, a node and adjacent antinode. Okay, so kita dibagi stationary waves and with the speed of 80 meter per second and frequency 200 Hz. Okay, kita tahu stationary wave ni terhasil daripada dua identical wave yang travel towards each other. So, apabila kita ada stationary wave, bermaksud kita akan dapatkan this kind of wave di mana mereka akan overlap. Okay. So, this is the first wave. So, this is the second wave. So, they will overlap with each other. So, they are identical, meaning that they have the same speed, the same frequency, the same amplitude, the same angular frequency. The only difference is they both travel at different directions. So, one is to the left, to the right, one is to the left. So, now what we want is to determine the distance between two adjacent nodes, a node and adjacent antinode. Okay, so now we need to identify what is node, what is antinode. Okay, so nodes adalah di mana titik waves tu overlap. So kalau kamu tengok dekat sini, ni adalah titik di mana kedua-dua wave ni bertemu. So this is what we call as nodes. Dan antinode adalah titik di mana wave tu tidak bertemu. So dekat sini mereka tidak bertemu. So this is antinode. Okay, so we want to find the distance. Okay, value for x between two adjacent nodes. Okay, adjacent bermaksud bersebelahan. So adjacent meaning that bersebelahan. So mana satu yang bersebelahan? So node ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ada 5 node dekat sini. So yang bersebelahan adalah daripada sini ke sini. This is what we want. Ataupun daripada sini ke sini. Okay, dia adalah benda yang sama, value yang sama sahaja. So kita label lah. Kita ambil yang 2 di depan. So from here to here is what we want, which is value for let's say x1 lah. And then a node and adjacent antinode. So a node and then adjacent antinode. So node ni dan sebelah dia antinode. So either daripada sini ke sini, from here to here, or from here to here, which is the same thing. So kita ambil from here to here lah, daripada sini ke sini lah. So from here to here, which is x2. Okay, so this is the distance that we want to find. So now how do we find this distance? Okay, so from the information that we are given, kita dibagi speed dan frequency sahaja. Okay, so speed is equal to f lambda. So daripada sini kita boleh dapatkan value untuk lambda. Okay, f adalah 200. So lambda sama dengan 0.4 meter. So kita boleh dapatkan value untuk lambda. Dan kita tahu lambda adalah one complete cycle. So from here to here is one complete cycle. So daripada sini ke sini adalah value untuk lambda. So from here to here, from here to here is the value for lambda, which is 0.4 meter. So daripada sini kita boleh nampak x1 adalah sama dengan lambda over 2. So we can get that x1 adalah sama dengan lambda over 2. So lambda over 2 is equal to 0.2 meter. And the next one, in order to find x2, x2 adalah from here to here, right? So dia adalah, it is lambda over 4, which is 0.4 divided by 4, 0.4 0.1 meter.